Hey, it's Mr. Grable. We are going to go over Go Math 4th grade, lesson 1.5, rename numbers. Now, this lesson is a little tricky, so I'm going to try to go through it to help you the best that I can. All right, so we're really going to be rename numbers, and it's very important that we remember that a dot or a cube represents the ones, a long represents the tens. Sometimes you'll see it as just a straight line. Sometimes you'll see it kind of like that. Um, the next is hundreds. That's usually how you'll see that represented. And then thousands are represented with cubes because there would be 1,000 ones inside these cubes. You won't see this too much, but I wanted to show you this. I think I should have flipped this around, right? Because we always start ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So making these place value charts is really going to be helpful. All right, so let's get into a couple of different problems that you're going to experience today in class. All right, so this first one is we're going to rename number 1,000. So the first thing that you're supposed to do on your pink piece of paper off to the side, make that place value chart. So we got ones, we got tens, we got hundreds, we got thousands. We got the 10,000 spot. Oops, there we go. And then the 100,000 spot. Now we have one period of numbers here and one period of numbers here. So I'm going to make this, make like this. Commas, super important that you keep those lined up. So we have this set up. Now I'm going to put my number right into my place value chart. You should get really good at making this place value chart. So 1,300. Okay. Now I can look at it this way. Um, which one of these is going to be renamed as hundreds? So we're going to be paying attention to this hundred spot. Okay. Now I'm going to read it as 1,300. 13, and then 100 is two zeros. Like that, 1,300. So which one of these has 13 hundreds? Well, each of these squares represents 100. Remember, I just showed you squares represented 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Nope, that's close though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, I always check just to make sure, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, that's not it. So 1,300, 1,300 can be named as 1,300. This is actually a great way to say numbers in a quick way, especially like with our logins. Let's say your login is EG, like this, right? Instead of saying EG 1,400, you could say EG 1,400. So that those two zeros represents that 100. Let's go on to the next question quickly. So here we go again. Ah, how nice. They have already made our place value chart for us. We're going to rename this number 130,000. Use a place value chart to help you. All right, so you can't be lazy. You have to do this too. So you have to make your place value chart again. I know. Then the thousands, right? And we have the 10,000s and then the 100,000. So we quick make periods. And we're going to do like this. I should probably make that a little bit neater for you. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in. See my comma? See my comma. So it goes 1, 3, 0, right? Then hold these spots. Now we have to rename this. So we're going to see 13 10,000s. That's it. 13, then I read here, 10,000. This is how you show your work. 13 10,000. That's it. Number 3, I like this one. Rename the number 180. So we're going to do ones, tens, hundreds. I don't need to make a place value bigger than that because I'm not going past the hundreds for this one. So you do like this. You put in 180. You're going to rename it as the tens. So I circle the 18 to the tens place. So I say 18 tens. Well, which one of these has 18 tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nope, it's not A. Well, 10, 20. Nope. Well, it's probably going to be C. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's see. To show your work, I want to see this. And you can write 18 tens underneath it. All right, let's go on to the next one. I'm trying to go quick for you. So once again, what you got to do right away, you read it, rename 2,800. Make your place value chart right away. Always. You're going to get really good at this if you're not already pretty good. Since I'm unsure about my place value, I'm going to do the all 6. Right? Make sure you have that comma. Go back. Some of us are really getting good at this, and that's awesome. So now I'm going to put these in here. 2,800s. Now, no tens or no ones, so I just hold the spot. I don't need to worry about the 10,000s or the 100,000s, do I? So how many hundreds are here? Well, there's 2,800. Well, which one's going to be 28? I know that that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Close. You gotta make sure that you're counting. So it's going to be one more than that, and I can see it's B, right? This is almost 30, that's 29. So 28 hundreds. 2,800. Remember, 100 has 2 zeros in it, right? So 28 and then 100. All right, guys. So renaming these numbers is a lot of reading with place value. 650 is how many tens? So you make your place value chart really quick. 650. How many tens? So here's my 10 spot. 65 tens. This problem was a lot like one of the first ones. Make sure that you're making your place value chart. Look, scroll back in the video to find it. What is another way to name 390,000? Well, you got to put it into a place value chart and then let's read it. I hope that this helps you. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.